I'm Kyleigh from Freedom Vans, and I'm here today to show you our latest build, Apollo. We were approached by Apollo's owner about building his dream van based on a layout that we had done in the past, but he really took the layout and then made it his own by making every single inch count. Every single inch in this van is planned out, and there was a big emphasis on the kitchen. He loves to cook and plans to take multi-month trips in this van, so having a nice big stove and refrigerator and sink were really important to him. This van also has a toilet and ample garage space for bikes, skis, and anything else that he could possibly store. So welcome to Apollo's kitchen. This is an 8-foot long kitchen galley, which is a pretty big kitchen for this van. I would definitely say that it's mostly kitchen. We used a quartz countertop and maple cabinetry. So Apollo's owner's mom actually chose out all of the interior finishes for this van. She is a designer in Seattle, and I think she did a really beautiful job. One of the big features in this van is the sink. We put in the largest sink that we could find that was marine grade. And then we have a nice semi-professional faucet here, water filter and soap dispenser. Over here we have a house range stove actually. Our client wanted a home style range because he wanted to have the burners nice and separated so his pots and pans weren't too close to each other. Another important feature to this client was having a nice big refrigerator. This is an isotherm DC refrigerator, and you can see it's mostly refrigerator. They have a nice little freezer. This would resolve a lot of problems in my relationship if we had a refrigerator that was this big in our van, but I don't think my boyfriend could go without the separate freezer. Here we have the pantry, which is really nice for storing cans, cleaning supplies, and this is on a soft close drawer slide. So it closes on its own. It needs a little extra kick to latch. Underneath here we have the sub, which goes to our Bose soundbar. We have another sub in the bench seat that is connected to our client's speaker system, so we installed a really nice new deck on here that works as a backup camera and speaker system for when he's driving. One of the largest challenges in this van was really how much we wanted to fit into the kitchen galley. We wanted enough storage space for the toilet, gray water system, trash can, all of his pots and pans storage, and food. Under here in this cabinet we have his toilet. This is the Nature's Head composting toilet. So here we slide the toilet out of the toilet cabinet, and then he has a nice comfortable place to use the restroom. Over here we have the hangout space with dinette bench seats and a walnut table with a lagoon table mount. What's really nice about the lagoon table mount is that he can move this over, get it out of his way while he's cooking, or move this into the center so that he has a nice space to eat with his friends, or he can move this to the side and have a nice big workspace. Once the table's away, you have a nice hangout spot, kick up your feet, and watch his 40-inch screen TV. This is a 40-inch Samsung TV, which is the largest TV that we've put in a van so far. Now let's go check out the garage. So the garage is, in my opinion, the most important part of the van because this is where you get to throw all of your dirty gear and things from being outside all day. So here we have these trays. This one is mainly just for storage, whereas the other tray is meant for bikes, so it can hold 2 bikes. So one of the things I noticed that I do the most in our van is really hang up our helmets and our wet clothes, backpacks. So here we have an entire wall dedicated to L-Track where he can just hang up all of his stuff. In the back is where we chose to store the water system, and this was just a really good utilization of space for his build. So we have a 6-gallon electric water heater with a 30-gallon fresh water tank. Back here we also have a 400 amp hour lithium battery bank, and that allows him to power all of his electronics, his speakers, sound system, TV. He also has a Wi-Fi booster in here so that he can work on the road. Over here we have the controls to his wash down kit, which is nice. It's a hose to hose down your muddy bike, muddy gear. We also have an air compressor in this van, so if he's, this is a 4-wheel drive van, so if he is driving in the sand, he can air down his tires and then he'll be able to air back up afterwards. This is the Viair 400H air compressor, I believe. We also have a light for the tank so that you can see in there and see how full it is. There's a tank monitor inside as well. Here we have the water fill for his tank. A lot of times clients will ask me where they can put their water system based on how they'll be able to access it, and we can actually run water lines to a fill that's further away from the water tank. Ski storage was really important to this client, so we built his garage long enough to store a long pair of skis, and he can fit 2 skis on this shelf. If he ever needs more ski storage, we can actually add something here to add another 2 pairs. Thank you so much for doing this van tour with us today. We're so excited to give it back to its owner tomorrow and can't wait to see what he thinks of the interior. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you'd like to see more photos of this van, check out our project gallery at our website, freedomvans.co.
Yeah, is it a he or a she? I don't know. I haven't done a gender yet.
I don't know. You'll have to let us know. We went with Apollo for our name so far.
Yeah, that's that's what I was saying originally, but then I realized I hadn't actually been in it, so I wasn't sure if I was ready to name it.
Yeah.
I didn't even name my dog till a month after owning him, so
that's
I
so
figured
funny.
I'd kind of spend some time with it first.
Totally. Well, I'm excited.
Apollo because Russian American?
No, it was my name. It was my idea. I thought of it. I just woke up in the middle of the night, and just because of the
Apollo
space program,
13?
and it's a white van, and it's like I'm shuttling myself off into the unknown, like the Apollo program. But,
Apollo 13 was Russian American friendship, so there you go.
Okay, well that too.
Culture in there too.
All right, I'm ready.
Wow.
Oh, that is beautiful.
I know. Gorgeous.
Great choices.
You too?
This has been in my mind for so long. This is awesome.
I know, I feel like taking shoes off.
Wow, this kitchen is gorgeous.
Wow. Look at this beauty. That's awesome.
Scotch.
Try the how now brown cow.
How now, brown cow? I'm ready, whatever you are. Okay. Hi, I did the nod you just did. Okay. Hi, my name is Kyleigh. Hi, I'm Dave. No! Don't make fun of me. This van has a really big kitchen. It has a toilet for all of you that love toilets. Sorry. No. And this van does have a toilet for all of you toilet lovers out there. Do it. Yeah. I'm still gonna look at the camera because it helps. Yeah. But I think it looks good. Hi. Hi, my name is Kyleigh Rogers and I am from Freedom Vans. Another big, oh jeez. Go ahead. So right here we have, so here we have the pantry, which is really nice, vertical storage space here. Is that right? Vertical? Right. Yeah. Or horizontal? Vertical and horizontal storage space. This is a 40-inch Sony TV. Just kidding, Samsung. One more time. Okay. I'm just kidding. One more time. My leg up there. Bye. Yeah. Woo!